Alright guys, mounting a new alternator on this Jeep Liberty. Right. Si Master Elvin. This is the wrong part, so removing it again. Alam mo na dyan, ako na bahala dito. Then, alright. This is the right one. Right one. Alright. This is how you do it. Mounting a new alternator for this year. Alright. Okay. Of course, you have to remove the positive and negative connection to the battery first before you work on alternator. And he's also going to put a new belt.
Bago yan.
New belt.
Okay pa kung bag niya. Ito pa rin. Balik na lang natin.
That's it. You see? It's easy. It's easy if you are a master. Alright, then connect the wires to the alternator. Okay. It'll take about like less than 30 minutes to do it. To replace the alternator for this Jeep. Okay, let's see, Master Urban. All right. Okay. Done. Now, just connect the battery cables for the That's it. And I'll let them blow up the. Alright. That's it. See? Tighten the cables to the battery. And that's it. Finish. Finito. Spray some alright, and then put the cover back for the positive. Alright, that's it. That's my part, putting back the cover. Now he's checking the oil level. Yeah.